So students, we have discussed till exercise Q of active and passive voice. Today we are going to start from exercise R. Exercise O, you have to fill up the blanks using the past perfect tense. Okay, passive form of the past perfect tense. So for the past perfect tense, oh, it's actually a sorry, I told you yesterday also, the question has been printed wrong. It will be present perfect tense. Okay, so the ground has been cleared, the books have been arranged, the computer has been updated, this car has been designed. Done? Anisha, did you get it? Okay, now come to exercise number R. Future perfect tense. So we will just add BEEN, been, to the future perfect form to make it a passive voice. Okay. So all unauthorized colonies will have been demolished. Okay. You can write the answers in the book right now. If you have already written, please type the answers in the chat box so that I can understand whether you have written correctly or not. Okay. Those who have completed it already. All unauthorized colonies will have been demolished, the new suit will have been stitched, the flag will have been hoisted, the lawn will have been mowed. Done. Come to exercise number S. Exercise S you are going to do in copy. So, will I give you some time to solve it, or have you already solved it? The academy was inspected. Either you can write the academy was inspected, or you can write the academy was inspected by them. Okay, both are correct. Number 2, a picture is being held by you. A picture is being held by you. If you are not able to write it properly, you not holded, held. Sneha, what is the past and past participle form of hold? Okay, so if you, yes, held, it's a casual mistake, I am sure. Sneha must know this answer. Okay, it's being held. Yeah. The thing is that if you are not able to catch up right now, this video will be uploaded in YouTube and you can always play it backwards and hear the answers once again. I am sure you will get the answers on your own because they are very, beginners level work is there. Number 3, so number 2 will be a picture is being held. Number 3 will be a song was sung. You can or cannot, may or may not add by me. Okay, may or may not add by me. Number 4, the book was covered. Number 5, a dog named Polly was bought. You may or may not add the agents or the doer of the verbs, doer of the action, because we all know that in passive voice sometimes even if you omit the doer of the action, it is not a wrong sentence. Okay, but you can write it also, not a problem. Okay, it's the same thing. So, even if you write it, it's the same thing. Sometimes you may also omit it. So, let me just repeat from number 1 to number 5 of S. The academy was inspected by them. A picture is being held by you. A song was sung by me. The book was covered by him. A dog named Polly was bought by them. So, the thing after by, you may or may not include the agent or the doer of the action. Now come to exercise number T. Some of these sentences contain ditransitive verbs. Ditransitive verbs means those verbs which has more than one object. Okay. So those verbs which has more than one object, they may be changed into the passive voice in two different manner. So if I say the teacher taught us history. Okay, so you can write the teacher taught us ancient Indian history. So either you can write ancient Indian history was taught to us by the teacher, or you can write we were taught ancient Indian history, by the teacher, you may or may not include the teacher, but both for those cases both the sentences are correct sentences and they will be considered correct sentence even if you write it in a different way than what I am saying. Okay. So, some sentences in exercise T contain such verbs which are ditransitive in nature, that is containing two objects. For those you are going to write any one. Okay. Number 2, we know her weak points. Her weak points are known to us, or you can simply write her weak points are known. Okay. To us, it is better to add it. Few sheets were given to us. We were given few sheets. The ball was thrown at Rama. You can write number 4. Either you can write the ball was thrown at Rama, or you can write no, this is only one. Only one. The ball was thrown at Rama by them. You can may or may not include by them. Number 5. Animals were hunted by men in the early age. Animals, no, it's better you write known to us, okay, because that is idiomatically correct. Known to us is more correct than known by us. Both are sometimes used, but it's better to write known to us. Okay. Her weak points are known to us. So, till number 4 all of you have written. Number 5, animals were hunted by men in the early age. In the early age, animals were hunted by men. Yes, correct. Yes, it is correct. Number 3, we were given few sheets. We were given few sheets, or you can write they gave us few sheets. Okay. No, if you write they gave us few sheets, it is not a passive voice. Okay, so it will be we were given few sheets. Few sheets were given to us is written, so it will be we were given few sheets. Understood? Let me check her answers. Okay. Number 5 already said. Number 6, the teacher is correcting our papers. Our papers are being corrected by the teacher, or you can simply write our papers are being corrected. Number 7, we have forwarded the letter to the head office. The answer will be the letter has been forwarded. The letter has been forwarded by us to the head office, or you can simply write the letter has been forwarded to the head office. Okay. Number 8, they organize matches every month. It will be matches are organized every month. You may or may not write by them. Okay. A picture, which question? Okay, till this point all of you may, Chandranath, you can keep that by portion in bracket also. That is what we used to do. Or you can simply write it, include it. If you are including it, include it. When to omit, there isn't any hard and fast rules. The fact is that in passive voice, what happens is that in passive voice, sometimes we get that the doer of the action is not important. Okay, so for those reasons you can omit it, but you don't, it's not a hard and fast rule. Okay. So till this point, I think all of you have got the answers. They organize matches every month. Matches are organized by them every month. Okay. So today I am not going to proceed anymore. On Tuesday we are going to, whatever is left in this chapter, we are going to discuss it, and I am sure you will be completing it on your own before that. 2 pages are left, so please complete it so we can discuss them when we meet again. Thank you students for today's class.